Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Adobe and also their pricing plans and primarily the comparison between what it was in the past, because like the prices increased and if it's actually like worth upgrading. So with the Lightroom, what you can actually like expect, you can have 1 TB of cloud storage, step-by-step Adobe portfolio, Adobe fonts, Behave, Creative Cloud libraries, 25 monthly generative credits, access to latest features. For let's say monthly, you're gonna get $18, which could be like pretty steep price. But what I really like is that here actually you have the photography 1 TB, where you can get the Lightroom and Photoshop plus 1 TB of cloud storage. And this is primarily something that I would recommend to check out if you want to actually like upgrade and if it's actually like worth it to go for the combination of the Lightroom with Photoshop. And what you can do is that even when you're gonna get it, you can get like coupons. Check out if you can get it like for students, for education, or even like if you try to cancel, that you can get like cheaper price. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.